Shout out to Lee Weezy. I seen that you would hit me up. You said that you got your foams, or I don't know. I don't know if you got these. I don't want to jump too. I bet you I forget about the shoelaces. I bet you. That liquor over there is just calling me. I think that bottle's empty.
Niggas don't really believe in this shit no more. It's like everything was. That shit gonna fly over these niggas' heads.
It's the wavy crocodile dishes. I'm the waviest one in the game, man. Ow. About to ride this wave.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, all the above. All right, what's good, y'all? Today's video is gonna be about the Foamposite 1 Galaxies. I just picked them up. They were a quick strike, so I couldn't use my military discount. So I ended up spending that, what, like $250? I've been seeing a lot of people been taking L's on these joints. Damn, that 1 minute, like, that makes a big difference. Word. This weekend has been a lot of releases. It's All-Star weekend. I actually did get to see those removable swoosh foams. They alright looking. I know I'd be tight if like one of them joints popped off, you know?
I'm looking for my shit and it was up in here.
I did pick up the Black Cement 3s under retail. You can check out that vid, it's up there. I actually did like a crazy on foot. I had like about 5 different pair of jeans. I'm not gonna do that with this one, but you already know y'all gonna get that on foot, word. So anyway, man, enough of the BS. Let's just get into the vid. Aye, straight from Foot Locker up there at Fordham Road. You already know, here go the black Nike box. Wish they would take it back to the brown, but Air Foamposite 120 quick strike. Okay, so it was a quick strike. Size 10, 230 bucks. Team orange, dark gray, black, equip orange, Y'all know how to read? Word, it never gets old. All right, boom, so let's take a look-see. I ain't even look at these joints. All right, cool, so bam, here they go. Pull these joints out. Yeah, there we go. Our first look, this kind of reminds me of, I don't know if y'all have, if y'all had like Cody or whatever. You know how like you go into Cody and then sometimes it tell you about some update with this cat on it. It's like unicornish or something. Nope. I'm not gonna lie, they are Fisher pricey. They are Fisher pricey. They're nice, they are nice, but they're not the OG at all. Let y'all get a quick look before I get into the actual review. What y'all think? All right, cool. So anyway, let's start with the sole. You got your all black sole. You got your carbon fiber right there. You got your herringbone traction right here. You got your 1 cent penny logo. Zoom Air at the top. Let's take it to the medial side. It's like one of my favorite parts of this sneaker. Take it to the lateral side. You also got your, maybe I should have done this review without the flappy, but anyway, this is my favorite side right here with the carbon fiber shank. I love this joint right here. Galaxy upper, I guess you could say. So get a look at that. I don't know about the Big Bang or nothing like that, but I'm guessing like these are stars.
Stars, quasars, motherfuckers sound like airwood jets.
Take it to the back. You got your penny logo stitched in gray. You got your black pull tab at the back, 4 gray stripes, followed by the mesh sock liner at the heel. All right, take it to the front. You got your Nike swoosh in gray. Got your nubuck upper right here in black. Black sock liner. Got your 3 perforated holes above the toe. You got your, I always say the Pepe Le Pure stripe right there in gray. That leads up to the penny logo badge right there at the tip of the tongue. And you got your pull tab at the front right here with your 4 stripes. You got your tag right here, remove before flight with the Nike, I'm guessing some kind of Nassau type jaunt, I don't know. You got your regular black Foamposite laces. I forget the name of this, my bad. Okay, cool, no ripping, word. The insole is kind of like a midnight blue, I guess. Then you got your, or galaxy blue, I don't know. And then you got your Nike, I'm guessing Nassau type badge right there. And don't forget about that bite right there that only Nike can replicate. China, we onto ya. My thoughts on these, $250, I guess that's cool because I'm seeing these things get sold for like, I don't know, in the 4s, but I ain't really worried about that. I really want to just find something to rock with it. Probably wait till about the springtime or something. I'm still trying to get the original joints. These are cool. This is my second pickup of the year, matter of fact, and we're in like late February.
I'm broke, baby. I ain't got no money.
I like them, I do like them. I guess due to the fact that I only paid $170 for them 3s, I guess the $250 is cool. I ain't really come out too crazy. Let me know what y'all think about these. Did y'all cop? Did y'all not? You know, what y'all think? Who likes these better than the original? Yeah, I'm definitely gonna say that I like the original better, but these are cool. They kind of give me like that,
Spit it out.
Northern Lights type vibe.
Nigga, please.
Like I say, this is Fisher Price. I ain't gonna front, it's Fisher Price, but You know, these joints are straight. I do like the black sole though. It really does set it off. It's pretty cool. You know me, I'm not really into the black soles, but with this, it's pretty cool. I wonder what like a clear sole would look like, not that blue tint. But anyway, man, I don't want to hold y'all, man. I want to get into what you know what I'm saying, what I'm known for. You know what I'm saying? It's all about them on feet, man. Forget that. But anyway, yeah, man. So this is those right here. Let me, like I said below, let me know if y'all cop these joints. If you like the vid, hit me with that thumbs up, because you already know I'm gonna do my thing for this on feet, you know?
Oh, I doubt that.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe. Got more joints coming. I'm starting to heat up with the sneaker rotation, so make sure y'all tune into those joints. If y'all been missing out on any of the past rotations, go back and check them out, because you're gonna see a big difference. I'm telling you, especially this week, you know, word, and the week after. Oh, Lord, you know, word. So I'm about to get up out of here. I want to say shout out to everybody that's been rocking with the channel. Appreciate y'all. Shout out to the Wave Mob all day. Don't forget, follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter be. But that Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, hold up. Stay tuned for that on feet.
The definition of fly, that's how I look at you. You stay fly, my nigga.
Came from nothing. I feel like it's go time, show time. You're trying to be the one, you picked the wrong time. I've been waiting for this for a long time. It's strong time, it's roll up time. Go time, show time. You're trying to be the one, you picked the wrong time. I've been waiting for this for a long time. It's strong time, it's roll up time. This was all grind, no luck. Who gon' stick around if it slows up? No brown, Tron up. Man, I couldn't stay the same, I glowed up. But I had to get my life together. Told the gang, let's live this life together. We gotta apply the pressure. Duck the jabs that they throw. I'm a swag on the soul. Get my last and my oath. Wait, I remember that summer it was colder than December. Them hoes ain't wanna come in, now they enter. And throw their clothes on the floor, you just lit up. This is celebration. I'ma demonstrate straight Sean. Of a nigga that stay true, the wing gotta break rules. I'm breaking these hoes off. She told me she can't move. I do what you can't do. I run for the money. We had shacks on our ankles. Our history painful. My homie got iron on him, but ain't nothing brain cool. Man, we came from nothing. You came from a silver spoon. That's why I feel like it's go time, show time. You're trying to be the one, you picked the wrong time. I've been waiting for this for a long time. It's strong time, it's roll up time. Go time, show time. You're trying to be the one, you picked the wrong time. I've been waiting for this.
You ain't top 5 that on live. Y'all, let me tell you something. He's the best.
Hey, if y'all like that on feet, hit that like button for me, man, for real. Wave Mob all day. And if you like the tee, get this joint at Effectus Clothing, where you can use my discount code Wavy and save 25% off your next purchase. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this. My channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.